Good morning. It's another edition of the Scrapman Diaries as you join me on the hunt for the elusive scrap metal. And when I say elusive, I mean quite elusive, especially these days. But let's go and see what we can find, and hopefully we can put some sort of an episode together. Wouldn't that be cool? Right, let's have it. First pickup, he's been lying around here for a couple of days. They are metal. As you can see, I've picked up a couple of things on my travels, and you'll also notice there's some stuff missing out of this van. We'll talk about that later. Well, you might also notice I've got a new ladder. Let's try and not get my new ladder stolen, shall we? That'd be nice. Obligatory error. Something, I suppose. It's metal. I'm afraid it is very slim pickings today. Well, there's nothing out here, so I'm afraid it's time to make a sacrifice to the scrap gods. Let's go. We've got some scrap here. Question is, can I do this quietly? I'm going to say no. Right, can't take gas balls. Plastic off later. Bloody chairs. Getting in the way as usual. Fill that up. Oh, Dolly, get out of my way. stays there. It'll be a miracle. What's we got? Alley. Bunch of smalls. Sweet. What else we got? No way that's brass, is it? Nah. Didn't think so. Just cut the cord off the fridge. What's we got over it? Nothing. Metal in there, but I'll leave it, I think. Nothing else. So, can't take gas bottles, I'm afraid. Not allowed. Cool, that was a nice little stop. Some more of them, please. Microwave. Oh. I'll take a microwave. Next. Couple of Steelies. Take an error. Couple of other little bits and pieces. See an office chair down the road. It's just there. Dolly just in the way as usual. Pluck and chuck. I'll take it. Sure, just saw another scrap truck. I think he just saw me, so I went the other way. Oh, see if we can beat him round. It's empty. Flow gas, if there's any in it, I'll take it for torching, but it's empty. Although Ian Matthews might like it for a dingle, one of them things that he makes, which is pretty cool. But not me. looking like a chair kind of day. I'll take it. It's a bit of scrap. Pretty much identical to the other one. Me and Dolly are going to fall out big time, I tell you. Next. Our bike guy might have put some parts out for us. Shame it's just a bunch of junk. Some metal on it. I'll have to do. That'll have to do. Small bits up the front. Oh, this is a mess. Next. Gotta go quick, gotta go quick. Woo! Quick pluck and chuck. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. It's definitely a chair kind of day. Next. Not much, but it's something. Wow. Might need to go and empty all this. See if I can get some more. Well, I'm afraid that's it for this run out. I'm going to pop home, use the lavatory, and I'm going to take this stuff to the yard just to get it out of my van because it's all light iron and it's all taking up quite a bit of room. So scrapyard closes at 11:30, so I might as well just go and empty it quick. I'll catch up with you guys when I get there. Right, it's light iron today, I think. I'll try and do it without the rage, as long as Dolly behaves herself. So I doubt. I don't know whether to keep the shearing on or not. Okay, right, chair. Another chair. Oh, Christmas tree. Microwave. I'll separate the shearing off, but I might keep it. Stainless. Going in my shearing hole. inches. Plastic in it. Keep that bad boy. I'll go short. Interesting. Got a bit more shearing than what I thought. Good luck getting out. Stay. You on that? Just 2 minutes, mate.
Lovely.
It'll be less than that, actually. Oh, buddy. Shearing. I had a bit more shearing than what I thought, so. Dolly is more trouble than what she's worth sometimes. I see ya. I see ya. Oh, that's it. Weighed and paid. So, it's bad news all around for scrap metal, I'll tell you. Light iron with 140 kilos at 160 pounds a ton. It's dropped 40 quid in the last few days. 22 pounds and 40p. And we had shearing steel. We only had 100 kilos at 275 pound a ton, which was 300. It's now 27 pounds 50p for that. Which gave us a final sum of 49 pounds and 90 pence, which is pretty damn good, really, considering that was a couple of hours this morning and the tumble dryer that I picked up last night. That was it. 49 quid. I'll just put 50 quid in the tank. I didn't realise that this weekend is another bank holiday. I said I'd see them Monday and they said, no, we'll see you Tuesday. I was like, you what? I said, yeah, it's another bank holiday. So, oh, right, okay. So much for more relaxing weekend off. I'll be out scrapping instead. So, this week, it ain't been too bad for money, actually. We've had, so we just had £49 and 90p. So I've done another little run during the week. I was out pricing jobs and I just picked up some bits and pieces on the way around. So I took in 5 kilos of Ali at £1 and 8p a kilo, £5.40. I took in just 2 kilos of lead, pretty sad really, for £1.52 a kilo, £3.4p. Motors at 26 kilos, they were high grade motors, 50p a kilo, £13, and I had light heavy mixed 180 kilos at £2.35 a tonne for £42.50, which gave me a final sum of £63 and 74p. That's the one you didn't see, and this is the one that you did see from earlier on during the week, which was £219. And I got a nice little 50 quid off me buddy Alan for going to pick up a motorcycle for him. So that was cool. So what's that bring us up to? Yada did. I'm not even going to try and count it all. What was it? I had it earlier. 380 plus 50. I don't know. 400 quid is it? One of you guys will put me right in the comment section. But yeah, that's not too bad. That's it for this double episode today for you guys. I presume I've already put a video up before this one. Long story. Yada yada yada. So yeah, anyway, that's it. The van is empty. I took the barrel out. I've cleared out the ladders. I've cleared out the acros. Oh, I just took a load of junk out of here. Big Mama went on a massive diet. She was way too heavy. Yeah, that's it. That's all I got. That's it. We're done. It's over. That's another Vandal vlog finished. I'm looking forward to the weekend because I'm going to go out scrapping. Hope you guys do pretty good out of it. And yeah, that's it. That's it for this one. Until the next one, be cool, be kind, or try and be. And I'll see you next time on Vandal Vlogs. And if you wouldn't mind giving this a thumbs up, really helps the channel. And if you want to subscribe and come and see a British guy out there in England trying to get by in life without getting a real job, then yeah, why not join in? And I appreciate everyone who has come over to the channel recently. Thank you very much. Love yous. Until the next one. Well, until the next one. Let's go scrapping.